No, I specifically said chocolate-covered almonds. Oh, hey, I gotta go. Your values are kind of like your inner cheerleader. They motivate you to do the things you care about. Your values represent what you think is most important in life. So, let's take a closer look at that inner cheerleader. Now, this is important. Why, you ask? Because your values help shape all of your financial decisions. What material things are important to you? How much money will you need? And how will you earn that money? Your values affect these decisions. But what influences our values? Our family, teachers, and friends play a big role in determining our values. Movies, music, and culture can make an impact too. Your value set is made up of a number of factors. Let's picture a big value web. Everyone's will look different. This is a big web. These values influence your financial decisions. Do you want to budget for a gym membership? Own an electric bike, or maybe a motorcycle? Do you want to budget for basketball tickets? Or maybe you're a fan of the symphony? Think about what's important to you and how that impacts your spending, earning, and saving choices. Now, let's add one more thing into the mix. Ready? You also need to consider that many people and groups will try to influence your values. Sometimes this influence is intentional, and sometimes it's not. Ads, influencers, and even life events can all impact your financial decisions one way or another. Peers are especially influential.
Buy the watch. Just do it.
You have to buy the watch.
Buy that watch. Your peers can influence how much you spend, what you buy, where you shop, all of that. Try to make decisions that are best for you based on your values and goals. You don't have to keep up with what your friends are buying. Do what makes you happy. Take that watch, for example. It may sound like a good purchase, but if you'd rather save up for university, training, or even a business startup, then stick to your priorities. Stay in control of your own spending, and not just now. That piece of advice is good for life.